students, we were discussing the oogenesis, right? Prophase 1 is the stage where this oogenesis or this phenomena will stop, and after the birth of the girl child, at the time of puberty, it will you can say it will mature, or it will develop into the primary oocyte, right? Primary oocyte स्टेज पे ही ये अरेस्ट हो जाती है, रुक जाती है, स्टॉप हो जाती है. दिस सेल डिवीजन is stopped there, right? Then after the at the time of puberty, it will again start and it will develop into the secondary oocyte. We will see later. So you can see a large number of these follicles degenerate during the phase from birth to puberty. This is the TS of ovary. You can see primary follicles, secondary follicles. This is mature follicles, and ovulation takes place here. Release of ovum here, right? We will see. Therefore, at puberty, only 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in each ovary. The primary follicles get surrounded by more layers of granulosa cells and a new theca and are called secondary follicles. Right? The secondary follicles soon transform into a tertiary follicle characterized by a fluid-filled cavity that is called antrum. The theca layer is organized. We are talking about the structure of the ovary here, right? The theca layer is organized into an inner theca interna and an outer theca externa. Secondary oocyte retain bulk of the nutrient-rich cytoplasm of the primary oocyte. The tertiary follicle for the changes and to the mature follicle on Graafian follicle. The secondary oocyte forms a new membrane called zona pellucida surrounding it, right? And the Graafian follicle now ruptures to release the secondary oocyte or ovum from the ovary by process called ovulation. Ovulation is the process which occur at the time of menstruation period. We will see it later, right? Now comes to the menstrual cycle. It is actually a reproductive cycle in the female primates. Primates are the group of organisms, group of animals like monkeys, apes and human beings. It is called menstrual cycle. The first menstruation begins at puberty and it is called menarche. Puberty age पे ही first menstruation होता है, that is called menarche. And the last one, or you can say when this menstruation cycle ceased, it happens at the time of 50 years age approx, that is called menopause, right? So रिप्रोडक्टिव पीरियड या रिप्रोडक्टिव टाइम किसी भी फीमेल में होता है, ड्यूरेशन इज between the menarche and menopause, right? This time duration is called as reproductive period of any female, right? So menstruation is repeated at an average interval of about 28 to 29 days, and the cycle of events starting from one menstruation till the next one is called menstrual cycle, right? One ovum is released during of each menstrual cycle. Remember it student, God ने कोई भी चीज वेस्ट नहीं करने को बोला है, खुद कभी नहीं किया है. We are just wasted. Listen, only one ovum is released during of each or one menstrual cycle, right? Not more than one ovum, while more than one or two, even millions of sperms released at the time of ejaculation in male, right? So there are some major event of the menstrual cycle, like the first to 5 days are called as menstrual flow, which is called menses, right? So the menstrual flow results due to the breakdown of endometrial lining of the uterus and its blood vessels, which form liquid that comes out through vagina of the female. दिस मेंस्ट्रुअल फ्लो में जो ब्लड या आपके टिश्यूज होते हैं, दोज आर कहाँ के होते हैं वो? those are the endometrial wall of the uterus. You know the endometrial wall, right? Endometrium. I told you about in the female reproductive system that endometrium is a part of uterus, right? So menstruation only occurs if the released ovum is not fertilized. Lack of menstruation may be indicative of pregnancy. Clear? So if menses are not there, it means it may be pregnancy are there. It's not sure, right? So these are some events given, events of the menstrual cycle, like uterine cycle, ovarian hormone, anterior pituitary hormone, body temperature, ovarian cycle. These are the responsible factors here. See, follicular first phases are first to 5 days menses, first to 5 days are menses, means to say menstrual flow is there. Follicular phases में क्या होता है, जो एंडोमेट्रियम वॉल है वो फिर से डिफरेंशिएट होती है और अगेन वो फॉर्म होती है, राइट? Which one? Endometrial wall. Then is there luteal phase. Luteal phase में ovulation takes place. Then after in the 14 days, 14th day जो होता है, that is a golden time you can say, or that is the time when pregnancy can be done or when fertilization can be occurred, right? So when ovum is there, if it got the, if it get the sperm at the time of ovulation, if ovum get the sperm, then embryo will form or zygote will form here and fertilization takes place here. So luteal phase, then after menses 28 days or 29 days की menstrual cycle होती है, right? After this corpus luteum is formed, corpus albicans I will see later. So the menstrual phase is followed by the follicular phase. During this phase, the primary follicles in the ovary grow to become fully mature graphene follicle, and simultaneously the endometrium of uterus regenerates through proliferation. Formation of endometrium wall after the menses, formation of endometrial wall, that is called as proliferation. These changes in the ovary and uterus are induced by changes in the levels of pituitary and ovarian hormones. So the secretion of gonadotropin LH and FSH increases gradually during the follicular phases. There are some hormonal disbalances are also an increase of LH and FSH at the time of menstruation takes place. It stimulates follicle development as well as secretion of estrogen by the growing follicles. Clear? So LH and FSH at the peak level in the middle of cycle about 14th day. You can see ovulation. I told you, I already just explained it in there in the figure. See, rapid secretion of LH leading to its maximum level during mid cycle, that is called LH surge. Please remember these terms, student, that what is LH surge. This is the rapid secretion of LH. When it will take place? At the mid cycle of menstrual cycle. See, ovulatory phase, corpus luteum secretes large amount of progesterone. What is corpus luteum? The ovulatory phase is followed by the luteal phase, during which remaining part of the Graafian follicle transform as the corpus luteum. कुछ पार्ट ग्राफियन फॉलिकल का रह जाता है जो कि ट्रांसफॉर्म होता है आपके कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम में, राइट? But corpus luteum does not form at the time of pregnancy. Remember it. Now comes the fertilization and implantation. Fertilization, you know, student, that a fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. During fertilization, sorry, this is not a compilation, it's fertilization here. During fertilization, semen is released by the penis into the vagina. This is called insemination. Insemination, I told you. Right, the motile sperm swim rapidly past through the cervix, enter into the uterus. You know the cervix, you know the uterus. Fertilization of sperm and ovum takes place into the fallopian tube. This question can be asked that where that fertilization takes place. कहाँ पे fertilization होता है? It takes place into the fallopian tube. Remember it. During fertilization, sperm comes in contact with zona pellucida layer of the ovum and induces changes in the membrane that block the entry of additional sperms, right? When ovum is there, I told you about million of sperm present there, millions of sperm comes for the fertilization, but only one will fertilized. Then how it happens, what happens when ovary is there,